2018 Tesla Model 3 performance. Tesla has been struggling to make production targets with the much-publicized Model 3. Things have slowly improved over the past few months, but as kinks in the manufacturing process are ironed out, one would assume that a period of consolidation would be high on the agenda. But this is Tesla, and Elon Musk is not known for standing still. His latest announcement of the performance variant of the Model 3 is surely to put additional strain on the production line, but he maintains that selling higher-spec models is key to Tesla's long-term survival. This strategy is borne out in the estimated delivery times for the Model 3, order-based spec version at the $35,000 starting price, and a 6-12-month waiting time is projected. Add a long-range battery, all-wheel drive, or opt for the new performance model, and that time shrinks to between 6 to 9 months. The price, however, goes the other way. A dual-motor Model 3 can be around $54,000, while the performance version is an even steeper $78,000. This pricing does include most options except the autopilot feature, but makes the top model not only a fair bit steeper than the Bass M3 sedan that Elon has been comparing it to, it also brings it uncomfortably close to the Model S.